We often see people diving with sharks to take their pictures and shoot videos. Well, have you ever seen people diving with crocodiles? That seems crazy, isn't it? But deep inside you know that sharks are also the most deadliest predators of nature. But how these swimmers successfully dive with sharks? But in the case of crocodiles, diving with them is just like inviting death. So guys, we will find the actual reason and facts behind this interesting question. So be in this video till the end to explore the answer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, let me introduce you to the first member of this topic, that is shark. There are more than 470 plus species of shark and most of them are carnivorous. Shark really loves eating seals, sea lions and other marine mammals. Mostly, great white shark, bull shark and tiger shark are considered to be the most powerful and large predators of shark species. These sharks aren't interested in human flesh. Yes, you heard right. According to the research, it has been found that sharks hate the taste of human flesh. But sometimes they accidentally attack on humans. For example, some sharks attack on surfers because the silhouette of human who is surfing actually appears like silhouette of seals who is swimming. Then that's the actual reason most of the surfers get attacked by sharks. But once shark bites the human, they realize the bad taste and then they swims away because now they know humans don't taste good. According to the University of Florida, shark had attacked about 81 people in 2016 and only 4 were fatal, and most of them were surfers. The perception of shark as deadliest animal has been popularized by media and movies due to some accidental and unprovoked attack by sharks. Sharks aren't interested in feeding humans. They just feed fishes, seals, sea lions and other marine animals. They love high fat ratio animals like seals, which provide them huge energy and power for their muscular body. They mostly don't care about unknown organisms like humans. But sometimes when they see surfers or people wearing shining jewelry or metal in water, they prefer to attack and taste the unknown object due to their curiosity. Else, they just like to avoid things. Shark attack on humans are extremely rare cases, and hence swimmers dive with sharks to explore them. Swimming with sharks seems interesting, but trust me, there are also other terminology and techniques which swimmers masters to hang out with sharks. Because sharks aren't interested in humans doesn't mean that some deadly species of sharks will welcome you in their territory. But comparing to the crocodiles, sharks are indeed safe to hang out with. Now let's talk about another member of this topic, that is crocodile. Crocodile doesn't have any favorite dish. They simply love eating everything around them. So when they see silhouette of human, it's obvious that they will surely attack human to eat them, because they enjoy eating most of the animals including huge hippopotamus. So when human enter in their territory, it's obvious they will kill human in few seconds. Hence, people do not dare to swim with crocodiles. Conclusion: shark has predictable behavior and isn't looking to eat humans. So humans can hang out with shark with some safety. Crocodile has unpredictable behavior and is looking to eat anything around them. So humans cannot hang out with crocodiles safely. So guys, this was my video. Thanks for watching till the end and hope you had learned something new and interesting. So meet you in the next video. Until goodbye and take care, and most importantly, be safe at home.